Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Italo hand tally counter. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This hand tally counter comes with a practical finger holder in metal, a comfy push button, a 4-digit counter, and a reset button on one side. The main application of the hand tally counter is as people counter. However, you can use this hand tally counter also for other things. You can activate the hand tally counter by pressing the push button, located above the 4-digit counter. Now, let's reset the hand tally counter. Please like, comment, and subscribe.